Hello, good morning. Nothing like technology to get you up and running this morning. It is Friday. I'm so excited. One, because I'm going on vacation. And two, because I get to talk to you guys about our new parent package. I created this because I was finding that while I was able to help clients and service them, that there was a gap, right? So we can do fancy tax planning and you can get your stuff online. And then I thought, well, what about this middle group? What about this group of people who, sorry, there's a thing that pops up. This group of people who sort of like me. So that's what I'm gonna talk about today. And so if you are a person who has, we call it the new parent package, but actually if you have children of any age, anyone under 18, probably this is a good solution for you. What this does is protect for the basic things, right? It's supposed to be fast, simple, affordable, and be like the base package, the foundation. Let's start here and then you can add on later. So let's talk about what it includes. One, it includes incapacity planning, which means powers of attorney, healthcare directives, and the documents that you would need to manage your finances and your spouse's finances if someone's incapacitated. So that's the first thing. The next thing is probate avoidance. It will include a trust, which means if you both die, unfortunately, and prematurely before your kids turn a certain age or before they're, over 18. Sorry, my hair is crazy today, guys. I don't know what happened, but it went crazy. No worries. If you die before you turn whatever age, before they turn 18, it will have a trust to avoid probate. Because in California, I don't know what state you're in. Sherry, you're in a different state, so I don't know if your probate laws are crazy as ours are. But it will avoid probate, which means savings of tens of thousands of dollars in attorney fees and administrator fees. Then it will have a guardianship nomination, which will really clear up your wishes for what happens to your kids. Who will raise them? Who will care for them? And then it has some other stuff. A deed to make sure your house goes into your trust properly. It will also have an assignment of property for after acquired property. So in case you get a new asset, we want to include that in there. It will have a schedule of assets that you can fill out. I will fill out the first part and then there'll be blanks so you can fill that out after if you need to. It also has a couple extra things around memorial wishes if you want to plan for what happens to you. There's a place you can fill that out. There's a place to give personal property gifts because sometimes your wishes change and you don't really want to have to pay a lawyer every time you change your mind who gets the ring or the sofa or the couch or the artwork. So we have a place for that. And then finally, there's a section on digital assets so that you can write down your passwords, although that's not my highest recommendation. I'll do another post on that some other time, but there's a place where you can write down your passwords. So here's how the process works. One, contact the office and say, hi, I saw Ali talk about this new parent package and I think I might be a good candidate. Wonderful. We will get you set up with a 30-minute no-cost consult. The no cost is for people who don't have documents. So it's really just, is this a good fit for you? Is this what you're looking for? Then I'll meet with you. You'll fill out the forms and we'll talk. It's all via Zoom or phone call. And then if things work out well and you are a good fit, we will move forward. It is $2,800. That includes all the notary fees. That includes all the recording fees, all the documents, the meetings, the phone call, the review, all of it. I'll draft everything and then we'll have a review meeting to make sure that everything you want is exactly in your plan. You will have some options for distribution. You'll have your options for trustees and healthcare agents, and all that's going to be in your plan, ready to go. And then you'll sign. So it's really designed to be very simple. The information that I gather shouldn't take hours. I shouldn't need hours and hours with you because really it's just designed to avoid probate. It doesn't do tax planning. It doesn't do second spouse creditor protection or issues with beneficiary planning. So no special needs trust, no AB trust, no what if my spouse remarries after I die planning. I have those options. It's just not included in this particular package. But again, for a lot of people, they don't need that. They just want real simple. Just make sure I avoid probate and make sure my kids' money doesn't go through the guardianship process and the probate process and gets to them efficiently because in a time of crisis, you really don't want to be dealing with the courts and lawyers if you can avoid them. That's just my opinion. So that's our new parent package. I'm very excited about it. It is, like I said, not right for everyone. So if for some reason we meet and we talk about your goals and your options and it turns out you need some other things, no worries, we got you covered. We have other documents and other packages that are right for you. This is just the one we're featuring today. So if you have questions, you can email us info@Goff Legal, Goff as in Frank, F as in Frank, legal.com. You can go to our website, gofflegal.com, or send us a message via Facebook Messenger. Please, please, please don't send confidential information. Facebook is not a secure platform, and I certainly don't want to risk having messages floating out in the atmosphere. So always call to make an appointment or email us directly, and we are more than happy to help out. Happy Friday. I'm so excited to go on a little trip. I hope you guys take care of yourselves and enjoy a little break maybe this weekend. If you weren't planning on it, take one. Maybe it's a cup of coffee by yourself, reading a book with a snuggly blanket. Look, I got my blanket. Oh, I'm so excited. It's winter, fall, whatever it is. Anyways, take care of yourselves and call us if we can help you. Alrighty, bye-bye.